How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a photo collage with Snapseed. Now, as you may have known, there is no direct functions for us to make a collage in Snapseed, but the first thing that you want to do is to actually open up the image itself. You then want to click on Tools, navigate through Expand, and in here you can just expand your canvas the way you want to. And you can also make your canvas to white right here. So let's click on OK. And then right after that, navigate back to Tools. And then we actually have to select the double exposure. Now with this one, you have to click on the plus image. And then let's add this image right here. And of course, now you have the ability to adjust it accordingly. Now with this one, it will actually lower the brightness of your second image. So all you want to do is to just click on this first icon and you can adjust it accordingly. Click on OK. And then let's add another collage photo by clicking on the plus image, adjusting this image right here. And simply right after, we are going to use the other function called the lighten mode. So it's going to be this one. And then of course, once again, you could use the opacity layer right here. So as of the moment, this is the only way for us to make a collage in Snapseed because they don't have a collage functionality in the application yet. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.